Friends, today let's try out a different type of yummy kadak chai. So to an empty vessel, I'm adding sugar. Keep the flame very low, take care not to burn it. Now switch off the flame and add water. 1.25 cups. Again switch on the flame, add crushed ginger and cardamom. Now when the water comes to a rolling boil, add 1 teaspoon tea powder and bring it to a boil for 2 minutes. Now let's add milk. Add only hot milk. So while the tea was boiling, I had kept some milk boiling on the side. 1/4 cup milk. Keep stirring continuously. And now let's add 1 crushed black peppercorn and cinnamon stick or dalchini and 3/4 teaspoon sugar. Add 1/4 pinch salt. Take care not to add much salt. Salt adds a nice taste to this tea. Switch off the flame now and close it for 1 minute. Now let's strain the tea. Look at the color, it's lovely, isn't it? It has a wonderful aroma and awesome taste too. Do try out this method. I'm sure you'll love it. So this makes 1 cup tea. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment.